Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Mobula7 HD. The Mobula7 has been a huge success and everybody's been looking forward to this one. Let's open it. So we have the user manual. A 3S battery. It's got an XT30 connector and a balance connector plug. The OSD menu board for controlling the codex turtle. Spare props. It seems to be, they're HQ props. And there's an adapter for two 1S batteries. Screwdriver, prop remover, and spare screws. And I think that's it. So let's take a look at the quad itself. So it looks like it's got the V3 frame and the propellers, which aren't the same as these definitely are not HQ props. These are the stock Mobula7 props. The canopy is a new design specifically made for the codex turtle, which is the main feature of this quad. So look at that big lens. It's an HD camera capable of 1080p and 60 frames per second. The motors are Happymodel 1102 10,000 kV. These motors are adequate on 2S for regular cameras, but for HD cameras, the extra voltage definitely will help. It comes with an XT30 connector, so this gives you a lot of options when it comes to batteries, and along with the adapter, you should have plenty of choices. Let's take a look under the canopy. So it's a very tight build, as you can see. It seems that the VTX here is mounted on the canopy itself, and the turtle board is mounted on top of the FC. So instead of your usual grommet here, you have a special mount, which is where the codex turtle is screwed on. It's over there. So the codex turtle board is screwed onto the mount, and then the mount is screwed onto the frame itself. And then there are also mounting holes for the canopy. There and there. And then the front of the canopy mounts here. So it's a clever design, as you would expect from Happymodel. So there is no buzzer. And this seems to be tiltable. But not by much. It's like a less than 5 degrees. So as you can see, the wires are tucked in very tightly, so as to avoid getting cut by the propeller. The problem is sometimes these do loosen up, and there was a warning by Happymodel to always check this before flying. And that's it for my unboxing of the Mobula7 HD. I hope you were able to get a good glimpse of the model, as well as what's in the package. Thank you for watching.